Today, video calling on the tablet, it really brings you face to face with others so you can be anywhere in the world, from a conference room to the nursery in your home.
But until now, video calling on tablets leaves a lot to be desired.
We don't feel that that tablet experience is really what people are looking for, that they don't have the control that they need to really interact in remote environments. So imagine if you could actually look around somewhere else in the world and you control where you look, who you're talking to, and how you interact.
It takes the burden off the people on the other side, and it lets you focus on the connection. It lets you be back in touch with the people you're trying to communicate with.
So KUBI means neck in Japanese, and it's a robotics stand for tablets that lets you remotely control where you look over the web.
The KUBI gives you control of 300 degrees of pan and 90 degrees of tilt, so you're actually in control of the camera and the video feed at the same time.
So you can see them, they can see you, anywhere in the room. You can follow the action.
It's a really natural experience that actually gets the KUBI out of the way and lets your loved ones enjoy the experience without even knowing it's there.
So Ilya and I worked together for 7 years at our last startup, successfully bringing consumer products to market.
After that company was acquired, we decided to go off on our own and really get into robotics.
Like most great innovations, KUBI was born out of passion.
I've been into robots for a really long time. I started out fighting robots on Comedy Central and BattleBots, and been into just about every kind of robotics since then. And I really believe this product is a way to get robotics into the mainstream.
We've been working on a roaming telepresence platform for a while.
And it turned out that 90% of the cost was in the ability to move around, and 90% of the value was in the ability to look around a room. And so we really hacked that down, and we got the cost down because of it to a consumer accessible price. We really want to bring telepresence to everybody. This is not something that just a huge corporation should be able to afford with these expensive roaming robots. No, I want my mother to have one, I want my grandmother to have one, I want my wife to have one. Everybody needs to have telepresence. It's awesome.
We've gone through many design iterations of KUBI and have actually been testing it in our daily lives.
We really designed the KUBI to be compatible with just about any tablet on the market, equipped with Bluetooth 4.0. It's not connector specific, it's not form factor specific, it just works with any Bluetooth 4.0 enabled device. We're opening up to all developers on any operating system so they could really go crazy with it. We want people to come up with really wild applications for this thing beyond telepresence, and that's the point of using tablets for robotics, is it's fully upgradable through software.
Currently, we have a fully functional prototype and have completed the core functionality of the software. We're looking for support to bring this to full production and complete a user-friendly app.
So far, we brought the KUBI out to the World Make Fair in New York and had a really great reception. As soon as we explain to somebody what the KUBI does, they get it. Everybody's been through the problems we're trying to solve.
We'd love to make this happen, and with the support of this campaign, we can make KUBI a reality.
This has really been a labor of love, and it's a labor of love because it's a product that I believe in, that I've actually used with my family.
And our technology can really bring people closer together. And that's why we created KUBI.